Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove headrest, seat headrest. This one will apply to most vehicles and I'll explain some difference that you might have. Like Mercedes, BMW, newer vehicles, Toyota even, will have some difference. So stay with us and I'll show you what it is. We'll demonstrate on these guys, 2015 Fiesta ST. Okay, and we have the headrest right here. And you probably try to pull it out to put seat covers or something, and sometimes they get stuck, right? You see that button and you think, okay, I'll pull it up and it comes out, but no, it stops. So what happens actually, okay, is you have on some models, okay, you're going to have the button here to push, but you're going to have a secondary button here, or you will have a hole, a little hole here, okay, and that little hole you have to use a wire, okay, to push it in, like this one here. You push in on this side, I push on this button at the same time, okay, and you pull it out. Careful now. Okay, let me show you now one thing. This headrest is very simple. Some of the modern vehicles, newer vehicles, will have a wire going through the headrest. Okay, right here. They'll have, in one of the holes, they will have a wire. So if you pull too much, you're going to break the wire. Then you have to take the seat apart to put it together. So you have to be careful with that thing. You can see the mechanism now, okay, that locks it in place right here. We like to use the plastic trim removal tools because we don't scratch anything that way. With a screwdriver you can scratch things up. And when you're ready to install it, all we have to do is just push it in. So all we have to do, if you don't have the wire, just push it in. You don't need to click on anything, okay, and adjust it. That's it guys, pretty simple. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. Check out the Mercedes that we rebuilt on the channel that was hit, and we got it from an auction, and where we got it from for a very good price. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.